reason why you shouldn't do your own divorce is because of the complexity with property division. Here's my rationale. Dividing assets and debts can be challenging. Professionals can help ensure that all marital property is properly accounted for and divided equitably under California community property laws. So, what I want to say to that is the level of it being equitable is always in the eye of the beholder. It doesn't always mean it has to be 50-50. We put together plenty of settlement agreements that don't have 50-50 division for one reason or another. And I bring that up because we'll have clients who assume the court is going to enforce a 50-50 division, and they'll provide me a division of everything like the cars and small accounts and a credit card with $100. They'll show it all being divided equally. And I say, is this the intent? Do you guys really want to have this type of settlement agreement? And they say no, but we assume the court is going to enforce that, and they're not. The only time the court's going to get involved with property division or anything related to your divorce for that matter is if you ask them to in the form of a trial because you guys don't agree on something.